Hello, Science 21 teachers. STEMSIMS provides a way for your grades 3 through 5 students to complete the supplemental assessment questions, called SAQs, associated with each of the Science 21 units of study. The SAQs are a set of multiple choice items that measure the conceptual understanding of your students on the content presented within each Science 21 unit. The SAQ section of STEMSIMS lets your students complete the assessment instrument and reports to the students their number of correct items. This information is not reported to you and only appears to the student. The correct answer for each question in the SAQ is not provided to the students and only appears in the Teacher's Guide portion of STEMSIMS. For your students to complete the SAQs for a given unit, students must first sign into STEMSIMS at stemsims.com using the general student account information provided to you. Once logged in, students should select grade 3 through 5, then Science 21 under the Select Category menu. Next, they should choose the Search button. Then they'll select the View Simulation button for the SAQ module and then the Assessment button on the top right side of the screen. Students should then select the appropriate SAQ and complete the assessment. Once done, students should choose the Submit Assessment button on the bottom of the screen. The program will grade the student's work and report on the top of the screen the score of the number of correctly answered items. Please note, the student's grade is not saved or reported to you. Only the student views the grade. As soon as the student leaves this page, their grade and answers on that assessment are removed. Upgrading to a STEMSIMS student tracking account will save and report this information about each student's performance on the SAQ to you. Please contact sales@stemsims.com for details about upgrading your account.